What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some sick new Bronco parts. Check it out. What is up, dudes? All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a new track bar on the Bronco because we've lifted the Bronco a little bit, put a coilover system in it, so when you lift up the rear end, that axle gets shifted a little bit. So how you fix that is with this. So this is the Rough Country forged steel adjustable track bar. Couple reasons why I picked this one. One is the price, right? So it's like about 200 bucks, so not crazy expensive. And on top of that, it's fully adjustable while on the vehicle, right? So a lot of track bars, when you put them on, if you want to adjust it, you have to take out one of the bolts and then turn the knob, and then you can actually set it to the width you need. But with this, it kind of saves you some time and effort. So that's why I like this one. This install's super easy. All you need is a 24mm socket and the good old-fashioned ooga dooga. Let's show you what I'm talking about. All right, so if you can see, if you can look, there's a bolt right here, 24mm, and then right here, 24mm. And what's nice is these back bolts, you don't need a wrench on the back, because they have that little, I don't know what it's called, like a device or something on there that locks them into place. I'm sure there's a correct name for it, but I'm not smart enough for that. So let's get this thing out. Here is the old track bar, dirty, and then the new one. It's a lot heavier. We're going to set this up to the stock length for right now. There we go. So now this is set at the exact length of the stock track bar. All right, so I believe one side is a 18 or 19. I believe one side's an 18. It's a 16. So let's get this thing installed. that's that. I appreciate you guys tuning in again, watching this. Pretty easy install, but it doesn't take much. Just an impact, some sockets. Make sure you measure that out. I'll do some further on videos on how to measure to see if your rear axle is centered, right? Because that's the whole purpose of that track bar, is to keep it centered underneath your vehicle, especially when you're articulating on trails and things like that. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave some comments if you have any questions, and see you on the next one. Peace.